Alright, today we're looking at cylinders, so think of your cans of soft drink or whatever else is more healthy than that, probably is better. But that's okay. So total surface area for a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. If you want to think of it like this is the kind of top and the bottom of the cylinder, and this is the outer sheet, the kind of outside as you curve around. Alright, so let's just punch in our value. So if we had this, we'd be doing 2 pi 5 squared plus 2 pi times 5 times 25, and that is going to be 50 pi plus, what's this, 125, 250 pi. Pretty sure I'm right there. Yep. And we can of course put those together as 300 pi meters squared. I'll leave you to look at that in your calculator as a decimal if you want to find it, but that's the exact value. Pretty confident you guys know how to do that now. Finding the volume, same kind of thing, pi 5 squared times 25. Really what we're doing here is finding the surface of the top or the bottom of the left or the right, this part here, and then multiplying it by its length. So that is 25 pi times 25, which I think is 625 pi. Let's just quickly check. Good. Again, check it on if you want for decimals. Alright, we've got a half cylinder here, so the volume would be pi r squared times h over 2. So pi 2 squared times 8. This is the same as what's written there, it's just slightly different. So that's going to become 4 pi times 8 divided by 2, which is, I'm a bit wonky, 16 pi centimeters cubed is the volume. Total surface area is a little bit more confusing. Alright, what we're finding here is the total surface area of a full cylinder divided by 2, because we've got half a cylinder, and then we're adding the rectangular base here, if you want to think of it like that. So that's basically what we're doing. Let's punch our values in. So 2 pi 2 squared plus 2 pi 2 and 8. Remember, radius is going to be half this length divided by 2. We need to do all of that before we can divide by 2. Plus 8 times 4, which is 32. So this is 8 pi plus 32 pi divided by 2. And that is, so 40 pi divided by 2, it's just 20 pi plus 32. And again, as an exact surface area, that's perfectly acceptable. Again, you can put that in your calculator and it'll give you a decimal answer, but yeah, we can leave it as exact as well. So just be careful with those half cylinders. You do need to include the kind of rectangular cut-off section, and be careful with questions like this. You might get something like a cylinder that, I don't know, it's had the side removed or whatever it is. It's a tunnel that's had these removed, and you might need to take those away from the total surface area. So just read the questions carefully as you work through them.